What is up, guys? It's me, olitypoli, back with another video, and today we are gonna be doing something different, but kind of the same, so yeah, let's get right into it. Alright, so I recently made a purchase, and that purchase was from Nitro Type. So, if I move myself over here, if I go to News, and I have to scroll down quite a bit, and then we get to Nitro Type merch. So I went to the store, and then yeah, this is where you can buy it, and it's a limited time offer. I think it ends on February 8th. If you want to get some of the Nitro Type merch, I will have a link to it in the description. So this was when the first season launched, and these are stickers. I'd probably recommend getting the normal one because it'll stay updated for forever. It won't be out of date, these are. But they will go out of stock soon, so I can go get them now if you wanted one. So I made a purchase and I got one. Let me turn off that light real quick so you can actually get. Alright. There we go. I made a purchase for this. So I guess I'll open it. If I can get my scissors. No. Alright. I got my scissors. I'm gonna take this down a little bit so you can see more of what I'm doing. Or not. There we go. Or rip it. No? Yeah, I'm gonna rip it. There we go. Alright. Well. Oh! Alright. Let's unfold it. And there it is. Nitro Type. I got in the navy blue. I like it. Yeah, so if you want to get it, I'll have a link in the description below for the store. And I'll try it on. There we go. I guess I'll make myself big again. There. Yeah, I like it. It's like a grayish, bluish, dark navy blue. This is a little faded, but I think it's okay. And the red is darker than I thought it would be. I go over here. Pretty bright. I did. I'm not sure what I did, but it looks pretty bright there. Yeah. So I guess that's gonna be it for today's video. It's a pretty short one. And yeah, if you like the video, make sure you click the like button down below. And the last video is right there, and then subscribe right there. And also, if you would like to talk to me about doing a collab, then you can Gmail me and talk to me more. Yeah, thanks for watching. Bye!